Good morning, guys. Richard came. We're gonna go to Walmart again and get some breakfast. All right, you ready to go in and eat? Let's do it. Guys, I'm gonna show you some food. Now that's food. And there's his. Golden Corral, for your information, opens up at 7:30 nationwide. And they do serve breakfast. Let's go get him. We're in the cart. Woo! There you go, buddy. I got you one. Well, come on, Pop. Get on.
Mom says, Jukebox.
Shut up.
There.
Okay. Actually, it is 1:19 in the afternoon, Central Time, 2:19. We're going to be driving through most tonight. Well, let's put it this way. We can do every bit of 600 miles tonight. Now, that means around 11 we're done for today. Our good friend Richard, we had lunch with him again, or breakfast. That was at the Golden Corral. Then he took me to Walmart once again. We went and got some groceries. That's a weekly thing, groceries. I gotta get groceries for my truck, right? We gotta eat. But I got enough groceries to last me really until Thursday evening. And Friday, I gotta go grocery shopping again. I'm going easy because of the bumps. Okay, we're done for today. We are at the first rest area in Ohio. And we are done. Do we have enough light in here? You know, I don't think my truck has enough light sometimes. I really don't. Oh, let's see. There we go. We got a little bit more light. But anyway. What? And don't mind my bed, guys. I just gotta... I went to Walmart, remember? I had to do some shopping. So I gotta put some of it up. I know. I gotta put some of it up. So, tomorrow you'll see it different. It'll be all cleaned up. Right? I've been driving all day today. You guys want a doggy treat, huh? Well, let's get the bag. Oh, yeah. Where am I going to set you guys? It takes more than one hand to do this. I tell you what. You guys sit right there. I just about lost my balance. Hold up. And one for you and one for you. Wow. And that's how we feed the little monsters. Oh yeah. Just love it, man. Yeah. Anyway, we're gonna get ready to go to bed. Thank you for watching. I know I look like a mess, right? I drove all day today. But we're gonna go ahead and get ourselves in bed so we can wake up and start this whole thing over again. So with that being said, we'll talk to you tomorrow. Later.